Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to wash, well I've already washed the ribs. Prepare the ribs, season them and all that. So Walter can barbecue outside. Here's the ribs. And I'm going to use the knives that my sister bought me recently. With Sandy Wiley. Y'all saw the knives. They're very sharp. So I think I'm going to use, I'm going to use the smallest one. I have to be careful because they're super sharp. Get this thing out of here. So I got my seasonings lined up. Y'all can see it on the counter. Okay, now. If I can't get it out the box, I don't need it.
We're going to use salt sparingly, right?
Who's fixing this?
We want it to be God's food, not the devil's food.
Okay. Okay, let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. And I just got out the shower, y'all. Washed and conditioned my hair. I ain't combed nothing yet. I'll put this on for now. So, just a minute. Okay, first I'm going to show y'all everything I'm going to use. Of course, I'm going to put the yellow mustard on the ribs. I'm using the Italian seasoning. No salt in that. I'm using the Cicero. No salt in that. Using smoked paprika. No salt in that. I'm using the butt rub. There's salt in that, but no sugar.
What kind of channel is this?
Y'all hear that sound from the background? I'm using the garlic, onion, and black pepper, and sea salt. I'm using granulated onion. I'm using a little oat-based seasoning. I'm using some white pepper and some lemon pepper. Let me go find the what's this here sauce. I'll be back. Okay, so these are the spare ribs. That's the ones with the rib tips on them. So I got to cut all this stuff off. That's how it looks.
Ooh, the rib tip's the best part.
That's how it looks. So I got to cut it off. Okay. I gotta raise this again. Let me see. Keep my fingers out the way, y'all.
Please, I don't want no blood on my...
This pig blood gonna be all up in it.
No people blood on my ribs.
You don't want people blood, huh? Oh, this knife is wonderful. Amazing. Y'all didn't see that. I'm trying to let y'all see, but I'm being mindful of my fingers. Oh my goodness. It's slicing like butter, y'all. Oh.
Yeah, put a link to that on your...
Yes. Okay. I'm scared to handle this knife too much. Okay, see. It's cutting like butter. For real. For real. Okay, where's the other end of that tip? Make the rib look real little. Well, I like the tips the best anyway. Okay. I don't want to cut through no bone.
Hi, honeys.
Y'all hear that funny sounding voice in there? Okay, all this is tip, y'all. This is rib tip. Look at that. So I'm going to put it on the grill like this, and then after it's done, then we'll chop it up. So we got one more. Since we didn't invite nobody over, we just got 2 slabs. So I'm going to show y'all this other These are some nice spare ribs. Look at that. So, okay, let me cut this tip off. I'm gonna raise this. Clean my hands. So y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. And somebody ain't gonna believe that it's cutting like butter. Butter. Okay. Oh, see this? I don't want that. You find the separation between the gristle and the bone of the rib. Right there. Get a good grip on it. See how it's sliced through there? Y'all see that? I'm trying to show y'all and hold it at a certain angle and try not to cut myself.
Want me to hold the camera or something?
The tripod holding the camera, that's okay. Can y'all see how it's slicing through here? Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. I ain't used to this. Always cut away from you. In case the knife slips, it ain't gonna slip into you. Don't want no body parts cut. Okay, I'm through. I didn't have to struggle. I'm through with that. So now I can season them. Okay. Wash my hands. I'll be back. Okay, I can't do that.
So you gonna be using those, huh?
Yes.
Send people that video when you're done.
Let me lower this a little. Okay. I got 4 different pans with ribs like this. So I'm going to season them and put them in separate pans to make it easier for me. So I'm starting with my yellow mustard. Don't have to go crazy with the mustard. I'm just going down the line. Okay, mustard. This is the Italian seasoning. I didn't see no sense in getting dressed and then doing all this. So I will get dressed and I'm through with all this. This is the garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt. Try not to use that much salt. I'm trying. You know what? Something I forgot to do. Cut that membrane on the back. Some people pull it off, but I just slash it, like crisscross it.
Wow.
I don't want to fall off the bone ribs.
Oh, that makes it fall off the bone.
If you cut that membrane, so I just crisscross it and see, I still got teeth, so oh, this is Matteson seasoning. There's a lot of good stuff in here, but no salt, no sugar. They got garlic, cumin, coriander, annatto, paprika, and something. Oh, no MSG. That's a good thing. Here's some paprika, smoked paprika. Tastes better than the regular paprika. And I'm going, see, it ain't coming out. I'm going to smush it all together when I'm through. Yeah, smush. That's a culinary term. I'm using Old Bay.
You said Old Bay?
Old Bay.
What's in Old Bay?
Some bay leaves and stuff.
Is there salt in it?
Celery, salt.
All right, now we reading labels.
Yeah, it ain't no sugar in it, and I'm not using that much salt. Most of this stuff ain't got no salt in it. Doesn't have any salt in it.
Pork is salty on its own.
Yeah. You'll be all right.
How about you though?
I'll be fine.
You all right?
I'm fine. Okay, this was garlic powder. Y'all know ain't no salt in that. Here's granulated onion. No salt in this. It's just onion. I'm putting them out my way as I use them, so I don't use them twice. I'm using white pepper, y'all. Has a different flavor profile than black pepper or red pepper. Ground white pepper. That's good. What's this country little person peeping in here? Okay, now here's the butt rub. See that? Look.
I'm supervising.
See, look at that.
You in here rubbing butts?
Get out of here. With it, one more. I got the lemon pepper. That don't have a shaker top. So I just have to sprinkle.
Tell the honeys I'm making the size.
They heard you.
And they're going to be healthy but delicious.
Okay, now I'm going to rub to massage all this seasoning and the mustard and everything all up in here. You flip it over on the seasoned side. I don't see no sense in seasoning in the back.
You in trouble, Mama?
I am.
Yep.
What?
I told Dad you in here rubbing butts on camera.
You, oh my, you're the devil. Won't come run in here because Niki told him I'm in here rubbing butts.
You see how it's stuff together in there?
On camera.
Butt rub.
He ran in here.
I ain't never seen him move that fast in 20 years.
Oh.
Okay, Walt, you can make the fire.
Oh. Mama said you can make the fire.
The meat is seasoned.
It's seasoned. The seasoning is done.
I mean, this is tips. And this is tips. I can't tell the tips from the ribs now. It's all gonna be good. And I actually like the tips better.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will see y'all later. I forgot I was filming, y'all. Okay, here's the tips and the ribs, and we had 3 chicken legs left. You can't hardly tell the tips from the ribs, can you? Okay. Oh, those, yeah, that's ribs. And whatever got the bones in it, that's the rib. So if I cut the tip off, the ribs are real short.
I think it's just almost done. I just want to make sure it's good done.
Especially them legs, because they fat. So you got something to say today, Mr. Ford?
Well, I hope everybody's doing well on a Sunday afternoon. I thought I'd come out here and barbecue a little something for my daughter and my wife and have a little something.
And for yourself?
Yeah, for myself. Before the weather gets really, really cold.
It don't make a difference.
Even though we still come out here in the wintertime, but I had a little bit of cold left, and I thought I'd do this. So, hope it turns out good. Hope you all having, like I said, a good day.
You need to close that, because I see the flame.
Have a good day, rest of the afternoon. I'll be seeing you. Take care now. Right, bye-bye now.
Okay. Here's the ribs and a couple of chicken legs in here. And rib tips. And here's the pan. It's unsauced for Niki. She got some tips and some ribs and chicken leg. So it's going to be my thumbnail. Right there. And here's my dinner. I got 2 ribs. I got a couple rib tips. There's my brown rice and quinoa that Niki made. Here's some kind of foreigner string beans. What you call these string beans?
French green beans.
French green beans. And I put some
Haricots Verts.
and I put some hot jardinera on top.
I'm gonna film too and watch you take your first bite.
Okay, I want you all to thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I just tried the quinoa and the brown rice. It tastes good. It's something new and different for me. But it is very tasty and it's seasoned.
And healthy.
And healthy. And these foreigner green beans, they taste good. And like she said, they ain't boiled to death. She was throwing shade at me, but I do boil my string beans with some potatoes. So this was a good, nice, good, healthy meal. I guess except for all this meat. Okay, I'm gone for real now. Y'all be blessed. Bye.